Do you like them?
They're amazing.
All right, so today for your pedicure and manicure, you're looking at 120.
Okay.
Is that cool?
Hey,
What happened?
I forgot my wallet.
You forgot your wallet?
Yeah, so I don't have my cash or cards. Can
Do you have Venmo or Apple Pay anything?
No, I don't have my phone or anything on me.
Damn.
I live right down the street. I can just go get it and come right back.
Do you have anything in your purse you can just give me? Like anything?
I have my driver's license.
No, I don't need your driver's license. I kind of need something because I don't want to go home and my wife questions me, like, how come I didn't get paid? What about your shoes?
My shoes?
Yeah, I'll take your shoes. Just let me hold on to your shoes, and then when you have the money, come back and I'll give you back your shoes. How's that sound?
Okay,
All right.
that's fair.
I mean, these are kind of dirty, but just come back with your money, okay? 120.
Okay.
All right, thanks.
Hi, can I speak to the person that took my daughter's shoes? Is he here today?
Yeah, that was me.
Oh, okay.
What
Can
happened?
you tell me why you took her shoes?
She didn't have any money to pay me, and she didn't have a wallet or phone, and I needed to get paid, so I had to hold something in collateral, so I took her shoes.
Did you know it was raining that day? She walked home barefooted.
That's not my fault. Bitch, she should have paid me. Because
Why
I'm
did
not
you
working.
just call me?
Call you.
Excuse me.
What?
I'm her mom. You don't call me that.
Well, you should have teach your daughter to bring money to go get her nails done.
Yeah, but that's not my fault, and I need to get her shoes. Are you going to give me her shoes?
Are you going to pay me for what she owed me? That was 120.
No, because you called me a bitch.
Well, I'm not giving her back her shoes.
You know what? F you then.
Where the hell is Min?
Yeah, how can I help you? I'm in.
You took my sister's shoes.
You're the sister?
Yeah, you took her shoes.
Your sister did not pay me. And last time your mom came, she started yelling at me and
Yeah,
everything.
you called her a bitch and you didn't give her her shoes back.
Are you going to pay me?
Are you going to give her the shoes back?
I don't know what is wrong with your family. You guys just come and confront me, but you guys not going to pay me my $120.
But you think it's okay to take her $200 pair of shoes?
You know them shoes were not $200.
Yes, they were.
God. So are you here to pay me or are you
Are
here
you
to
going to
get...
give me my shoes back?
You know what?
Where are you
Just stay
going?
right here.
Where
Stay
are you
right
going?
Get out of my shop.
hell no.
Get out of my...
Excuse me,
Hi, how can I help you?
are you the young man that took my granddaughter's shoes?
Yes, I am. But I just want to let you know, I'm not taking her shoes because I want to. She just didn't have any money to pay me.
Well, and I just wanted to come in and thank you. A lot of my grandkids right now are a little entitled. So I just want to thank you for holding her accountable. So you need to do what you need to do. It is your business. So I do want to thank you for that. And I'm not going to pay because...
Wait, you're not going to pay me? So you just came here to let me know that...
I want to thank you for what you did.
How,
continue
how
to
come you
do.
don't want to pay for your granddaughters?
I didn't do that. You didn't give me service. You gave her service. She needs to be held accountable. And and my heart goes out to you, but I do want to thank
Because
you.
it's been very stressful lately.
I
I mean,
bet it
your
has.
family coming in, yelling at me, trying to take the shoe. And one of your grandkids claimed that the shoes was $200, but you know it was only like $30 shoes.
I understand, but I felt like I needed to come in and at least thank you. I wish I could pay, but I can't. I don't have the money. So, but can I say one thing though?
Yes.
Being a grandmother and being old, don't use the language. Sometimes when you come back the way they're coming to you, it doesn't help the situation.
I just can't help it, you know? The hood raised me. Hi, you've been helped.
No, I haven't. I'm wanting to talk to Min.
Yeah, that's me. How can I help you?
Oh, well, Min, it seems you stirred up some trouble for my family.
What did I do?
Well, you took my great-granddaughter's shoes.
Oh, wait. You know, she didn't pay me. She didn't bring her wallet, her phone. And she sent in her sister trying to threaten me. The mom came in, and her grandma came in. And who are you?
I'm the great-grandmother.
So are you here to pay for her service?
Well, if this will all go away, I'd be willing
Oh, great.
to pay
Awesome. So
Okay.
what she owed me was $120.
$120.
Yeah.
Are you saying $120?
Yeah, 120.
Exactly. What did you do for $120?
Nails and toes.
Nails and toes? Boy, in my day, that was $20 for nails and toes. And you're charging my granddaughter $120.
Yeah, it's 2024. This ain't no 1920.
Oh, I don't have that kind of money. Sorry.
So you're gonna send in your granddaughter to pay for it?
I'm going to see if I can, yes, because I'm not paying for that. That's way too
Hi,
much.
excuse me.
Hey.
You remember me?
Oh, hey, you the one that forgot your wallet and your phone last time.
Yes, and you kept my shoes?
Oh yeah, you came back. Hey, what's up?
Hey, I know my mom came and she was probably a little rude. I do want to apologize for that. I do want to reimburse you for the services, and I would like to get my shoes back.
Okay, yeah, I just want to let you know that I apologize for calling your mom a bitch. But
Thank you.
you know, just let her know that I didn't mean it the bad way, and I just had to hold your shoes because I need something for collateral. Because you know, my wife, she's tough on me. But let me get your shoes. But it's not 120 today because of interest fee for holding your shoes and storage space. So it's gonna be $5 for storage space and $5 more for interest fee.
Okay, perfect. I'll go ahead and pay that. I also wanted to know if I can make an appointment with you because I did like your service.
Do you have your credit card on you right now?
I brought cash this time.
Well, this one's for the shoes, and you gotta have your credit card on file for just future purpose.
I booked you an appointment for services today.
With me?
Yeah.
You know what? I'm gonna need to hold on to some kind of payment beforehand, just for security purposes. Is that okay?
That works.
All right, cool. What you got for me?
Okay, go.
This is a Costco card membership. This is not a credit card.
Oh, my bad. Here you go.
All right, cool. So I'm gonna hold this car on file, okay? And we'll charge it, and then we'll make sure that you're taken care of, okay?
Sounds good.
All right. Since you just got manicured today, it's $60. Is that okay?
Okay, sounds good.
Let me bring it up for you. I have your car on file, right?
Yes.
It's not going through.
It should be going through.
No, it's not going through. You have any other card?
No, that's all I have.
You don't have any other payment, like cash or anything? Like you have anything in your purse that you can give me?
No.
I need your shoes. I'm gonna take your shoes. So if you want your shoes back, you just come back with $60. I give back your shoes.
Okay.
Okay?